Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Roddy. Today we're gonna go ahead and replace the air filter on my 2020 Genesis G70 2.0. Let's go. First things first, we're gonna start by opening the hood by pulling the latch. Slide the latch underneath the hood to the left. There's going to be two 12 bolts that's holding the support bar from the strut tower to the radiator support. Once you remove these two bolts, you'll have access to remove the support bar to get access to the air filter. Now that you have access to the air box, there's going to be 4 of these latches. There's going to be 1, 2, then 3, then 4. Now you can go ahead and remove the air filter and inspect it. At the time of recording this video, my car has just got to 40,000 miles, and when I bought the car it had 12,000 miles on it, so that's about 30,000 miles that I have put on the vehicle. So to see that this filter is not as bad as a new one, I would say this car is actually pretty clean. Now I would say go ahead, install the new filter, do everything in reverse at this point, and that's it. Pretty straightforward, nice and easy, and very simple. If you like this kind of content and you want to learn more, I have some other videos that's going to be in the end of the video that will show you how to get those services done. And if you have any questions, you can leave them at the bottom in the comment section, or you could contact me on Rad Street Daily on Instagram, and I'll be gladly to answer those questions. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and click the notification at the bottom so this way you don't miss another upload. So this was a quick video on how to replace the filter on the G70. You know, it's nothing too long, nothing too crazy. I hope that this video helped, and I hope you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.